So, let me tell you the plan here. I'm going to take the chrome skull, I'm going to black it out. I've been thinking about this for a while. Just a quick change. I'm going to plasti dip it. That way, if I don't like it, I can peel it right back off and go back to chrome. So, let's get at it, man. Got it, nice. It's dual lock. It's not really Velcro, it just snaps on, snaps off. So what I did is I took this piece of paper, jammed it into his eye socket, rubbed it around a bit to find that line to make a template. Cut it out. And now I can trace these little pieces out on a piece of green tape, cover his eye and not paint over it, and then I can keep the nice red that's in there. Rinse and repeat. Alright, there we go, ready for paint, or should I say plasti dip. So it's all been polished up as clean as I can get it. Everything's taped off. So when you do this stuff, you shake this for 1 minute, and quite often while doing it, and multiple coats, and you allow 30 minutes between each coat. So let's get her done. Alright, let's give that half an hour. Alright, fifth and final coat. Oh, there it is. Turned out not too bad. I had to cut with a knife around the tape because it was trying to pull all the plasti dip right out of there. As you can see in the nose, there's some chrome there. What are you gonna do? Just black that out with a marker a little bit. Okay, let's get it on the bike. There we go. I like that. Nice little change. Had the chrome on there for just over 2 years. I'll try this for a while. Yeah, man. Awesome. Alright, there you go. I kind of like that. And then, yeah, you get tired of it, peel it off, go back to chrome. Anyway, that's all I got, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, ride safe and take it easy.